Today, let's make a cute fluffy pipe cleaner cat paw keychain. After the materials list, we'll go straight into the tutorial. Take one black pipe cleaner and measure about 12 centimeters. Curve it gently into a round shape, then twist it tightly to secure. Now adjust the shape into a soft heart shape. Start filling the inside using the remaining pipe cleaner. If one piece isn't enough, simply add another one and continue filling until the whole heart is fully covered. We'll make 2 large heart shapes in total. Now take another black pipe cleaner and measure about 6 centimeters. Shape it into a small rounded circle and twist tightly to secure. Adjust the shape until it looks smooth and rounded, then use the remaining pipe cleaner tail to fill the inside. We'll make for small circles in total. Next, take a pink pipe cleaner and measure about 8 centimeters. Using the same method as before, create 2 smaller pink heart shapes. Start filling the inside using the remaining pipe cleaner. Filling the other side. Take your time wrapping the pipe cleaner, little by little, so the surface looks fuller and fluffier. Now let's make the tiny pink toe beans. Roll the pink pipe cleaner into small circles, about 1.5 centimeters wide. Cut off the excess. We'll need 8 small pink circles in total. Take a short piece of black pipe cleaner and trim away all the fuzzy fibers using small scissors. Use round nose pliers to shape a small eye pin for the keychain clasp. Make a small loop and trim away the excess wire. Now we can start assembling everything. Take one large black heart shape and place it upside down. Add a small amount of hot glue to the bottom. Try not to use too much glue here so the final piece stays clean and neat. Slowly attach the small black circles one by one. Try to keep the small circles evenly spaced while attaching them. After adjusting everything slightly, add some glue to the center of the paw and place the second black heart shape on top. This will help hide all the connection points neatly inside. Now let's decorate the paw with the pink pieces. Add a small amount of hot glue and attach the pink heart shapes onto the center paw pads. Gently pinch and hold them in place. Next, attach the tiny pink circles onto the toe areas. Gently press each piece into place and adjust the spacing slightly so the paw looks soft and balanced. Repeat the same steps on the other side. I think this might be my cutest pipe cleaner project so far. Which color cat paw would you make if you tried this DIY project? Finally, attach the eye pin and keychain clasp. You can also turn this into a bag charm or backpack keychain. I think it would look really cute hanging on a pencil case too. And now our cute fluffy cat paw keychain is complete. I really love how soft and fluffy the little paw pads turned out. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. I'll see you again in the next tutorial.